Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where some of these levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. All in all, the past few days have been kind of boring. Now, I don't say that in a bad way at all. I'm just kind of, putting myself in the shoes of people that probably got used to, this action over here where the price just went up and up and up, and now you see the sideways action here. But again, not bad at all, as long as sideways action is happening higher than where it was previously, where in this case, yeah, the sideways action is happening right here, and then you look at the last time it kind of consolidated was down in that area of the chart. And not to insult anyone's intelligence, but obviously this sideways action is much higher than that. So from a big picture perspective, that's the name of the game. As long as the bulls are building those higher bases, that's what you want to see continue to happen. So let's talk about a couple levels of support. Really just one level I'm going to talk about, and that has to do with the purple line right there. Now, for those of you that have watched my past videos, you've heard me talk about this level before, but that is the 50-period simple moving average, and so far so good. A couple different times you can see both there and there. The bears try to press down through there, but both times the bulls acted exactly like you would want to see it act, and the price, maintained above there. So really the black and white way to look at it is, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health, however you can best picture that. Now, if the price does drop below there, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But, preferably speaking, you definitely want to see the price continue to hold above there like it's been doing. That's going to make the chart just look the most attractive. Now, in regards to levels of resistance, there's one kind of key one, which is setting up a pretty good showdown for tomorrow. And that level is right here at the $3 mark. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see, $3, knocked it down, and then knocked it down a couple early times today. And then you can see right here, actually the final 30 minutes. Price didn't close quite up to that area, but you can see not very far below this key resistance level. And you look down here and you can see volume did start to increase. Not gigantic volume, but still, volume started to increase. Got a nice little green candle. And, you can see these higher lows have been forming. So, you kind of draw a trend line like that. Very interesting setup going into tomorrow in regards to can the bulls, finally push through that $3 level. If they can, then the next key battleground to keep an eye on up there at $3.25. So like I said, very interesting going into tomorrow. We'll see how it all breaks down. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.